Hi, this is John Simonson, Wild Rivers Trout Unlimited chapter, and today we're here on North Fish Creek with Matt Hudson, the Associate Director of the Burke Center for Ecosystem Research. Hey, Matt. And we're going to talk about the restoration of this river where they created a new channel, and if you saw my YouTube video I did back in September, that's when they opened up the new channel. And to see this today is amazing. This is spectacular. I think it's award-winning, the work they've done. It is just amazing how natural and beautiful this is. So, Matt, can you kind of tell us and walk through the timeline on this and all the work you guys did?
Yeah, thanks, John. So we're here at we call this the Keystone Bluff Project. And so the reason we did this project is there excess sediment. There's a lot of sediment getting into North Fish Creek from these large eroding bluffs. And over there is what the river used to be, located right at the base of this large eroding slope. It was dumping about 2,800 tons of sediment into the river every year. And we wanted to move the river away from that sediment source, both to protect fish habitat and improve fish habitat in the stream, but also prevent that sediment from washing down into Lake Superior and Schwamini Bay. So at this particular site, what we've done is we created an entire new stream channel. This was floodplain forest right through here when we started the project on August 10th or August 11th of this year is when we started the construction. So this whole area needed to be cleared. We needed to excavate the new channel, and we need to create these rock and log structures within the channel. And all the work was completed on September 24th of this year, and we're really excited how it turned out. Really excited about the habitat, the fish habitat opportunities here, and we're also excited about the access that people can get back in here easier now. So we're really hopeful that this will be a model project for other ones in the region.
Yeah, I mean, it is spectacular. And when you see that bluff he's talking about over here, see if I can get it. I also videoed it earlier. I know it's hard to see in the sun, but it is amazing to see how they moved all this earth, rerouted a channel, brought in all this heavy equipment. I mean, when we were here before, we were walking on big logs and dirt mounds that were 50 feet high and everything, and I'm like, how are you ever going to make this look natural? And it's just turned out fantastic. And if you come in on the road, they made certain pullouts where you can now access the river and everything, and did improvements along there on the North Fish.
Yeah, and we put in some in-stream log structures all through this, not just this reach, but upstream and downstream as well. That'll create additional habitat components. And I want to, John, before we finish, I want to give a shout out to the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative. The funding for this project came from the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and the Great Lakes Commission, but it all originated with the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative. And also to Ben Lee and Marty Melchior, our project engineers, Cannondale Excavating, and Keith Olson from Olson Brothers, the main contractors on this project. We're really excited how this turned out. So it took a lot of people, took a lot of effort, but I think it was really well done and really worth it.
Yeah, it did. And thank you, Matt, for all you've done and everything, and your dedication to this and putting all these pieces together to make it happen.
Yeah, you bet. Love the work. Love the opportunity to hopefully improve things for future generations here, and we're not done yet. So we got more of these projects that we're hoping to do.
Awesome. Thank you, Matt.
You bet.
This is where the creek used to go. absolutely amazing work Burke Center. We saw this before. Now they have it. This is the new channel. Looks spectacular. The old channel is right at Burke Hill. This is truly amazing. North Fish Creek. You saw my original video when they created this channel, and now you look at this. It's amazing. And this is absolutely amazing, the work Burke Center. Would never believe you could do this. And it looks so natural. It's going to be great fishing. Thanks to the Burke Center. And this is where we pile in and block the river. Right here. And we need to know it.